In May 2019, the design giant Canva faced a massive security challenge. A data breach exposed the information of nearly 137 million users worldwide. But the story isn't just about the leak. It's about how modern encryption saved millions of accounts from total compromise. Let's break down exactly what happened. A hacker group known as Gnostic Players claimed responsibility. They managed to breach Canva's systems and access a core database. The stolen data included usernames, real names, email addresses, and in some cases, city and country information. But the biggest question in any breach is always, did they get the passwords? The answer is yes, but also no. Canva didn't store passwords in plain text. They used a process called cryptographic hashing. Specifically, they used an algorithm called BCRYPT. This is a crucial detail that separated this breach from a total disaster. BCRYPT is designed to be slow. It forces a computer to do significant work to verify each password. For a legitimate user logging in, that fraction of a second is unnoticeable. But for a hacker trying to guess millions of passwords, it's a wall. Older algorithms like MD5 are fast, meaning hackers can guess billions of passwords a second. BCRYPT stops that cold. For users who logged in with Google, their passwords weren't even on Canva's servers. They used OAuth tokens. The attackers may have accessed these tokens, but Canva reacted instantly. They revoked them immediately. Once the breach was detected, Canva closed the database access point and began notifying the community. They forced password resets for affected users and invalidated the compromised login tokens. Because of the strong hashing, the stolen password data was essentially useless to the hackers without massive computing power. However, the real risk wasn't just Canva. It was credential stuffing, using those emails to try and hack other accounts. This is why security experts always say, never reuse passwords across different sites, and always enable two-factor authentication. Even if a password hash is cracked, 2FA keeps the door locked. Canva was largely praised for their transparency and speed. They didn't hide the breach, they managed it. No system is unhackable, but with layers like BCRYPT and rapid response teams, the damage can be minimized. Strong hashing, rapid response, and user awareness. That's how a potential catastrophe becomes a manageable incident. Stay secure, update your passwords, and thanks for watching.